I didn't do anything to this wig. I simply put her on, I cut the lace off, and honey, voila.
I'm like an addict, do I gotta have it. I ain't even playing, got a really bad habit. If it moves, gotta grab it, fuse like a magnet. Lose, won't have it till I'm doomed in a casket. I ain't playing, got a weird mind. If you work 8 hours, I'ma work 9. If the shit tastes sour, you should taste mine. I'ma stay in.
Beauty queens, welcome to my channel. My name is Mrs. V. If you are new here and have not already became a part of the Beauty Addicts family, girl, what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button and that notifications bell so you'll be notified when we post another video. In today's video, I am going to be showing you how I applied this beautiful lace synthetic wig by Outre. This wig comes with 2 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back, an adjustable strap, and it also have an elastic band strap inside the wig just for extra security. I don't know, like I really couldn't tell the difference with using the elastic band, but it is there. The inside of this cap is simply gorgeous. I love how it is framed. Everything about the cap is beautiful. So I went ahead and put this wig on prior to laying anything down. Ladies, I was so blown away about how this wig was, the cap construction on it was just so gorgeous. I was super excited, as you can see my face. Oh my God. But I went ahead and decided to go ahead and use the hot comb to go ahead and lay down. I thought I wanted to lay down my baby hairs. You guys already know I like to lay the baby hairs down, but I decided to bring some of those baby hairs out a little bit because I knew I wanted to use some of them. By laying down the baby hairs, it just made the frontal of this wig look that much more natural, so I knew I wanted to use them. I am so in love with how they made the frontal of this wig look so natural. I didn't even have to pluck, ladies, so in this video you will not see any plucking on this wig at all. So you would just see me actually just laying the baby hairs down, pushing that hairline back with my hot comb, not ever touching the edges to this cap at all. So right now I'm going to go ahead and cut off the lace of this wig. We're going to go ahead and remove those ear tabs, and I decided, even on this video and probably from the first couple of videos, well, the last few videos that I had, that removing the lace is better for me. I actually like how it looks when I remove that lace first. Before actually removing the lace, I used to leave the lace on, then applying the wig, but I think I like removing the lace a little bit better. We're going to go ahead and show you why I like removing the lace better. Simply because it's so much easier, ladies. When I lay this hairline down with, or I'll say this lace wig down with removing the lace in the front, it's not so difficult. It's so much easier, and I don't have to go back and cut and go back and cut. It's just easier this way for me. Everything is in place once I lay that wig down, and as you guys can see, laying that lace down with using my TGI bedhead hairspray, this lace just looks flawless. Like, it melted right in my skin. I didn't even have to do much to the hairline at all. So that is the reason why I do not like applying the wig before laying the or before cutting off the lace. I am now going ahead and melting my hairline down with this elastic band, and I just think it gives me more of a flawless look. When I remove that band, you're going to see where once I remove the band that I didn't spray my ear tabs down much. And ladies, you ladies already know, if you have already been watching me, I don't really spray down my hair tabs down much at all, because I feel like I like to wear behind my ear, and I wasn't for sure if I wanted that with this wig, but I'm gonna tell you guys, the only thing about this wig is that you get a lot of lace in the front. The hairline is giving, honey. So I didn't do what I normally do and put that lace behind my ear. I actually chose to go ahead and use that to give me a more natural look. Even if I wanted to wear this wig behind my ear, I definitely probably couldn't do that because the hairline was it was a lot. You actually will have to cut a lot of lace off of this wig if you wanted to do that, and it gave a whole lot. I think I cut a lot of extra lace off this wig once I removed that headband off this lace. Okay, so as you guys can see, I am now going back with the hair dryer to lay those ear tabs down because I didn't do a good job with spraying it at all. I was like, oh, it's gonna look good, and it didn't. But anyway, we're gonna go ahead and let you finish watching me slay this unit. And as you guys know, I like to do a concealer just to give me a more natural look. Really, I didn't even have to do that with this wig because the hair, it just melted right into my skin. Everything just looked so natural to me. I did have to do that though. In the part, I felt like it was necessary. That part right there needed some foundation. I didn't even use my inside where I tint the lace on the inside. I didn't do any of that, and this wig still gave me a really, really natural hairline. It also gave me a natural parting space. So I absolutely love that about this wig. And ladies, you're gonna see me in a few minutes. I love to act silly. I don't know if you know that about my personality, but I am a very, very silly girl. And probably need to show that more in a lot of my videos, but you girls already know. But I'm laying my baby hairs down first before I even show you that part. These baby hairs laid down so naturally. It looks so much like my hair. My husband even loved this wig. He was like, baby, you look so good. You heard me? I'm over here listening to some music. I like to get crunk sometimes. That's me acting silly. Hey girl, hey. You know how we do it over here. We getting crunk over here. Yeah, girl, go ahead. But anyway, I decided to put a little bit more curls to this wig. The curls on this wig, I felt like it was necessary, so I didn't show that part, but I did use my hot comb to add a little bit more to this wig. And when I tell you, it felt like I just got a nice freshly perm, girl. Like, yes, everything on this wig just gave. You hear me? So let's go ahead and get into the information about this wig. This wig is, of course, by Sensational. This is part of their melted hairline lace front wig. It is in the color number 2. The style is in Martina. It is heat safe up to 450 degrees. The lace is HD lace with a transparent lace, ladies, and it is gorgeous. The lace part is a center part with a middle part. And it does have baby hair, so you will definitely love this wig if you decide to get this. But when I tell you, it is giving, you're going to absolutely love this for a very natural look. That's what it gave for me. Now into more of this video.
Let's go ahead and get into the features of this wig. This wig, ladies, I am going to tell you, is simply gorgeous. At first, when I put her on, of course, y'all already know, I'm like trying to feel her out, trying to see what she got going on. And she is thick, honey. The hair is super, super thick. It's just a lot of hair. I knew right out of the box when I looked at her lace that I was just gonna leave it like it was. You guys already know I normally pluck my lace, but I decided not to. This is a melted hairline, so most of the melted hairlines are supposed to be where you can actually put the wig on and go. That means you shouldn't have to do any plucking. You shouldn't have to do much to this wig. And ladies, when I tell you I didn't do anything to this wig, I didn't do anything to this wig. I simply put her on, I cut the lace off, and honey, voila. Now I didn't have much of a curl in the front, ladies, and I know I did not show that in the beginning of the video. I didn't want to make it too long, but I did put a few more curls just in the front. I didn't do a whole lot of curls to her in the front at all. The texture of this wig, ladies, she is giving, I'm going to say, a yaki texture. She is more on the yakier side, but I absolutely love that about her. So you could definitely put heat to her. So when I added heat up here at the top with my hot comb, and then I curled her a little bit just around the hairline, it does give you a little bit more shine, but it doesn't take away from the fact this is a yaki texture. As you guys can see, it still blends very, very well. And it almost looked like, girl, I'm gonna tell you, she almost made me want to just wrap her up every night, because it almost gave me the feeling of my natural hair when I press it out. I love to wear wigs simply because I'm able to get a different style than wearing my natural hair. Of course, I can wear my natural hair anytime, but I love the fact, hey, I got some layers going on in the front, and honey, is giving. I'm loving this. And I love the fact that I can put heat to it and like bump it and do whatever I need to do to it. And it just looks like I just went to the beauty shop and got my hair done. I mean, this lace is fire. Like, I'm top notch. It's top notch, I'm telling you. You're gonna love it. The cap size is going to be, I am going to say average, but she does have a lot of little room back here in the back, so she is big head girl friendly. You could definitely get a little bit more space back there, because you guys know I put a big old bun in the back of my head with my hair, because my hair is almost waist length, my natural hair is, so I did put a big bun back there, so it is big head girl friendly. I did not use the combs on this besides the comb that's right here in the back. Really, it's just to secure the back for me. Like, I normally leave my natural edges out. I normally don't use the lace up the wig edges, but on this one, honey, she gives you so much lace in the front that if I had no other choice, it just would look really, really weird. And I actually, you know, y'all, I'm really not a fan of that, but I actually like the way it lays. Still, I went ahead and cut right here. Still left a lot of my natural baby hairs out, so it can look way more natural than it actually do. So I do like the fact that it's kind of versatile, and I don't have it really tacked down that well around my ear spine on that lace construction. It is really, really light, so it blended really well with my skin complexion. But if you are a tad bit darker than I am, you might want to tint that lace a little bit more, because she does give off a little ashy look. And I actually go with a little darker color even on my parting, just to make it look a little bit more natural. The parting space is going to give you a center part, but you definitely could wear this over to the side. Of course, you guys know if you do that, you're gonna have more lace on one side than the other side. So wig, of course, you know, is pre-plucked and it's pre-styled, so you really don't have to do what I did. Of course, y'all know I went in with a little bit of heat to the front. So other than that, the application is simply it's so easy to put on. Once I cut off that lace, everything else just laid seamlessly, and I am simply in love with this wig. All right, ladies, let's go ahead and do a full 360. As you guys know, this is the front of the wig, and this is going to be your right side of the wig, and this is going to be the left side of the wig. And I'm going to turn to the back so you guys can see what I'm talking about. She's not long at all. She stops right above my bra strap. And when I tell you, she is looking so natural, because she is not super, super long, ladies. You definitely can get away with wearing her in the summertime, especially if it's like a business attire, you going to work. This hair is perfect for business, work attire, school, back to school, especially if you're on the conservative side. I think this would definitely be a nice look. Interview, especially if you're trying to get a new job or doing something like that. This is that type of hair. This is This is my girl, okay? This is my girl right here. I'm loving it.